Hi, I'm Darian Jackson, Consumer Loan Officer at University Federal Credit Union. Let me ask you a question. Do you have a savings?
I wouldn't say too much, but I at least have $5.
Do you save? Where do you put it?
I put it in the bank.
In the bank?
Yes.
You do? You have a savings? What do you save for?
I save for a house when I grow up.
Help your child create a savings plan. Ask them what they would like to save up for. Discuss how much that item costs, and then ask how much they would like to set aside each week or each month to save. Make a chart with a picture of the item that your kid is saving for so they can visualize their progress. Also provide a place for them to save, whether that's a jar, a piggy bank, or a savings account. Encourage your children to save, praise them for their accomplishments, and remember to follow up with them once they've achieved their savings goal for whatever it is they were saving for.